Okay, so x equal 0, 0.1 to multiply linear multiplication, right? By. What this means? So like it's 0 colon 0.1 colon 2 pi. So okay, this for plotting 0. So let's write here 0 is the first step. So this is the x-axis. So we are saying to Matlab that I want my x-axis to start with 0, and we're gonna this 2 pi, okay, is the end. 0.1 is the step. Okay, let's try to run it. What did we get? Let's see. So 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6. What this means? It means it does increase by 0.1. And it start with 0, ended by 2 pi, which is like 2 pi equals 6.2. So, here we go. Okay, so 0 is the first step. 0.1, this is called like this is the start. Okay, and 0.1, this is the step. Okay, so we are starting with 0 and then we are going 0.1, which is increasing step by step, and the end would be 2 pi. There's a comment. So this is the range of x-axis. So I'm telling Matlab I want to start my x-axis with 0. I want to increase the x-axis by 0.1 until it reaches to 2 pi. Okay, let's write the y-axis. So yeah, let's see, like now I press enter and I want to go back. So I will just press Control Z, and this existed everywhere, even Microsoft Excel, everywhere. Control Z just to undo what you did. Okay, let's write y equals sine x. Okay, and then finally with the plot x y. Okay, I want to save those semicolon. I do trust those lines, but let's see the plot. I want to see the plot. Here we go. So the plot starts with 0, as we said. 0 was starting position, and then increase by 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 until it reaches 6.2, which is 2 pi. And it gives me this figure, because plot is figure, so gives me figure 1.